І так буде з кожним, сука.
The Ukrainian Kraken unit is deployed at the northern, Kharkiv front, and they are showing the results.
Вторая армія міра, блядь.
Ukrainian sources are reporting that overnight several additional brigade-sized elements of the Russian ground forces, consisting of thousands of troops as well as hundreds of tanks, armored vehicles, and artillery, crossed the border from the Belgorod region of western Russia into the Kharkiv region of northeastern Ukraine, utilizing the multiple bridgeheads that had already been established over the last 48-72 hours. Heavy fighting is taking place near the city of Vovchansk to the east, as well as within the village of Hlybok, with Ukrainian defenders being forced to withdraw from several towns nearby towards the Travyansky Reservoir, which is less than 12 miles from the outskirts of Kharkiv city. Appeal from the soldiers of the Siberian Battalion to the military personnel of the Russian Federation. We, fighters of the Siberian Battalion, are currently carrying out combat missions in the hottest spots of the so-called Kharkiv offensive. We appeal to the Russian military personnel who are taking part in this senseless massacre. Over these few days, you have managed to understand that your command is using you as cannon fodder. They continue to fill up the Ukrainian border with the bodies of your brothers in arms for the sick ambitions of an old senile man. We value everyone's life and call on Russian soldiers and officers to come over to our side. Surrender, join the ranks of the Siberian Battalion, the Russian Volunteer Corps, and the Freedom of Russia Legion to fight together for a free and strong Russia of the future without Putin and his gang. Many of your colleagues have already made the right choice and surrendered, preserving their lives and dignity. Join us and come over to the side of truth. Several tanks are taken out by the 1st Presidential Brigade. New closer look at Russian Do-Mobile, which has single-handedly reintroduced maneuver warfare. A Russian tank destroyed in the vicinity of Krasnohorivka by units of the 47th Mechanized Brigade. Ukraine has started using U.S. tactics from the Vietnam War against the Russian army. The tactic, which has been dubbed Wild Weasel, involves jet pilots allowing enemy air defense radars to detect themselves. The radar waves are then tracked down to their source, and then AGM-88 HARM missiles strike at the established coordinates. Russian T-72B3 APU, with a high-quality modification of the air defense system, something that was already visible from the front, but at the stern, you can see multi-layer protection. Another one. Last night, Ukraine carried out 3 additional strikes in Russia. What is Russia's air defense doing? During the night of May 12th, the GUR carried out drone attacks targeting 3 key locations in Russia: the Volgograd oil refinery, the Kaluganefta product oil depot in Lyudinov, and the Novolipetsk metallurgical plant. These strikes represent Ukraine's most effective means of disrupting Russia's war machine. The significant size of Russia poses a major challenge, making it nearly impossible for its air defense to protect all key infrastructure. For the end. A large-scale fire broke out at dawn in Warsaw. A shopping center was on fire. Around 1,400 shops burned out.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.